GrapeCity Documents for Excel.NET Edition is a fast, efficient spreadsheet API that enables you to generate, load, modify, and save spreadsheets. In this video, we'll add sparklines to a set of data. First, import the necessary namespaces. Then initialize the workbook. Next, we'll add our data and assign it to a range in the worksheet. Next, create a table and add the range of data to the table. Add a formula to sum up the columns. Add a sparkline to column K. Specify the sparkline type and pass along the source data. Finally, save the workbook. When we open the spreadsheet, we'll see that the sparklines have been added in column K. For more tutorials, blogs, and code samples, visit grapecity.com.